What up?
Hello.
So of all of these desserts, the 5 desserts for this video, which one was your favorite?
I liked the sort of peanut butter caramel.
This one right here?
Yes.
Was that so? That was your fave?
It was.
Dude, that's my favorite. It's so
delicious.
No, dude. I think it is the greatest dessert in the entire planet. I seriously think there's nothing better. Is that going too far?
It's a
does not speak to your inner truth.
It's a strong statement.
Doesn't speak to your inner truth. It's a weird one. Okay, any recipe on the internet that says like freeze some dessert, like take your hippie dessert with its alternative ingredients and then pretend that this is the texture you want, right? And then it's like, and now to compensate, slap it in the freezer and eat that shit rock cold, right? It's like rock solid, ice cold, and it's like, no. I'm not eating some freezer fucking fudge like a lady. I'm going to leave my shit in the fridge. So this has been in the fridge. So it's like wicked soft. It's like almost liquid caramel. It's like, no, not liquid. It's between liquid and solid, right?
Yeah.
However, you can be a compliant person and just put it in the freezer and it will probably be the right texture. But guess what? Not that kind of girl. We've already addressed that. It's so good. It's
like a little more solid than the peanut butter.
It's hard to describe but
gooier and like caramel.
It's like, why even try? Why try? Why not just quit now?
But it tastes good. So I think
no, it's
flavor,
so good.
Flavor makes up for it.
Nothing's been better. You know what's worse?
What?
My spelling.
You know what else is worse?
What?
Desertification.
Oh no.
Okay. I just thought I'd throw that in there.
Zip it. So I got my elderly mom a phone. And I entered in all the numbers that I thought she could use that I also had. And I felt like a champ. I felt like $1 million champ. I was like, I'm gonna show you technology. And then like 2 seconds in to like turning the phone on and being like, here, check it out. I went from like a self-proclaimed hero, like I'm helping the elderly, to like, she like looked at it for 2 seconds and she was being sweet, but she was just like, all these names are all these names are spelled wrong. And I was like, fuck, I'm such a dumbass. And she just started like pointing at names and being like, it's this, and she was like naming names and being like, in like trying to be phonetic about it, being like, there is no T. this name right here. No L. I was like, oh my god. It seriously went from I'm the hero of the day to she's the hero of the day.
She taught you how to spell some names.
Oh my gosh.
You learned
the whole car ride home I was thinking about it. I'm like, I am such a jackass. I was like, I don't think I'm dumb. I think a dumb person is someone who hasn't applied themselves. I don't know. I guess I'm just trying to frame it in a way that somehow I win. It's a learning disorder. It's not a choice. No matter how many times I see the correct spelling, the brain just says, you would be a more humble person if you, if you don't spell in public. Isn't that shit so dumb?
You're doing all right.
I'm getting by pretty well. This is why I run a YouTube channel. Does that put anything into perspective? Dude, I could never be a hostess where they like, can I take your... It's like my worst nightmare. Like, I get a job and I have to take phone reservations and you gotta take their address. It's like every 5 seconds it's like a new spelling. Okay, and your first name, your last name, your street address, and what city? Dude, man down. Peace.